We are the BMW team, the ultimate coding machine, and we are building an Android application that allows BMW drivers to take photos hands-free while driving using their car's built-in cameras. For the sake of our prototype, we're actually using a Sony QX10 Wi-Fi enabled camera. Bharad will go into more details about that decision later. Now, imagine I'm driving across the Golden Gate Bridge. In today's world, if I want to capture a photo, what I have to do is whip out my phone, hold it out the window, try to keep one hand on the wheel, and capture the perfect shot. Clearly, this is highly inefficient, not to mention extremely dangerous. Our app seeks to solve this problem, namely with a feature we call BMW Journeys. This will be the first part of our demo today. Unfortunately, Jay wouldn't let us bring a real BMW up to the loft, so we had the next best thing, the Bharad BMW. He's showcasing our car camera mount, which we built ourselves, that normally goes on the hood of the car. So he'll be going around the front of the class here, taking a few photos on our own little BMW journey today. So what I will do is I will start a journey, and here we go. There we go. So the way the BMW Journey feature works is the driver specifies the interval in which photos are automatically taken. So for the sake of this example, we're using 10 seconds.
Wow. You can actually take photos
Now,
right now?
yeah, so you can imagine the use case that before I get going on a drive, I will take a photo, start my journey, and every 10 seconds a photo will automatically be taken. Now, this way I can keep both hands on the wheel, both eyes on the road, and know that the photos are automatically being taken and saved to my camera's SD card. Then, these photos will be uploaded to our web server so you can relive these journeys after the fact. This will actually be the next part of our demo.
So, you might be wondering, why did we opt to go for a Sony QX10 instead of using BMW's inbuilt car camera? Well, unfortunately, the internal design of BMW prevents us from getting access to their car camera. But instead of giving up, we decided to come up with our own API-friendly camera and come up with a mount to put on the hood to basically simulate the user experience of taking photos while driving. We want to prove to BMW that this experience is so compelling that they will change their internal design in future models to allow developers access to these features. Additionally, we also get access to their SDK, which provides us with an ample amount of metadata that we can use while taking photos. For example, with their GPS, we can get the location and time of when every photo was taken. We can also get the speed at which you were going with the accelerometer, and we can also take advantage of some weird quirks like the temperature of the car inside and outside while taking some photos.
Awesome, thanks Bharad. So now here we are back at our web demo. We've mostly focused on our attention on the back end so far. But here's what we have so far where we can relive the journeys. So far we've been, oh, you can get Jed. So far we've implemented a very basic slideshow. And we're excited about this because the possibilities seem pretty much endless to us. So things we have in mind are image montages, short video clips like Flipagram, if you're familiar with it, and also some map overlays using some of the data that Bharad mentioned. We hope to visualize some of this data to enhance the user experience on our content creation site, and on the back end, BMW will be able to use the data in order for further market research, customer profiles, and other data analytics tasks that they might have in mind. So I'd like to conclude with actually one last feature. It's back on the dot cam. Within our app, we've implemented sharing on social media from within the app. So for example, I'm going to share a picture. Choose from the Ultimate Coding Machine directory. I'll pick that one. And then there I can send that on Facebook and probably tag you for all my friends to see. So with that, that actually concludes our software demo for today. And we hope that you will continue on the next BMW journey with us. Thanks. Maybe time for one question?
Yeah.
Yep.
Are you guys looking into interior? I thought during your pink bagel thing, you talked about how people prefer interior photos. Is that
Yeah, so the question was on our Pink Bagel, we found that interior was popular. Have we considered that? And on our first user test, we actually did both exterior and interior, and we're still getting some feedback, hopefully from future user tests. But right now, the original use case we have in mind is the exterior camera, because especially in the Bay Area, we just have some beautiful sites that we can take in. But that's something that can easily be just, the camera can be flipped around.
The software is completely agnostic of camera location.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.